From darkness to light, a journey back to vision. He woke up every morning to the same darkness. Not the peaceful darkness of night, but the heavy silence of a world he could no longer see. Faces were voices, roads were dangers. Simple things like pouring water, reading a message, or recognizing a loved one's smile became daily battles. Once he had dreams. Now he counted footsteps. Crossing the street felt like a war. People rushed past him unaware of the fear in his chest. He memorized his home by touch. Walls, corners, furniture, because his eyes no longer guided him. The hardest part wasn't losing vision, it was losing independence. He stopped going out, stopped believing, stopped hoping. The world felt far away, as if life was happening without him. Then one day someone said, "There may still be hope." With doubt in his heart, he visited an eye specialist. Tests were done. Light was flashed, machines hummed, and finally words that changed everything were spoken. "Your vision loss is treatable." Tears flowed, not from pain but from relief. Treatment began. It wasn't instant. Some days were hard. Some days felt endless. But slowly, very slowly, light returned. Shadows gained shape. Blurry forms turned into faces. And one morning, he saw his hands clearly. He saw the sunlight through the window. He saw life again. For the first time in years, he smiled. Not because he was cured, but because he was alive again. He walked with confidence. He crossed the road without fear. He recognized faces. He reclaimed his dignity. His vision came back. But more importantly, his hope did. Message to the world: blindness is not always the end. Early diagnosis, proper treatment, and expert eye care can change lives. Never ignore your eyes. Never lose hope. Because sometimes all it takes is the right care to bring light back into darkness.